It just has the frame of a Glock 17, which is the regular full-size 9mm Glock, and then it has a extra long slide. So a Glock 34 comes about right here, the 17L comes to there. And then it's cut here. He has ports on both sides. There's a port on the top. He's cut these grooves up front, all down the side. He has cut more in the back as well. It's got some nice competition sights with fiber optic up front. Trigger job. Extended mag well back here, so you can easily get those mags in there. Steel guide rod and new spring in there. I, for your viewing pleasure, have brought out a few guns. Glock 17L. It is made primarily for competitions. This is a Canik or a Shonik TP9 SFX, also made primarily for competitions. This is an STI DVC Tactical, also made primarily for competitions. These are all three race guns chambered in 9mm. This one is definitely way less expensive. It is kind of an entry-level competition gun. If you're just getting started, it's a great gun. I love it. But it's not as good as these. It's way cheaper. These two are priced pretty much the same. This one is kind of based off a 1911. They call this a 2011. So if you like that style, it has a hammer back here and it has a really nice trigger like a 1911. This one is based, well, it's a Glock. And so a lot of people like this style. They like the striker fire pistol. And so it's just different preferences on those two. Very similar on price with those. Let's go ahead and shoot them. I want to shoot this one first, then we'll go to this one, and then we'll go to the Combat Master.
Gun. The 9mm. Yep. Let's do it. Don't move! Don't move! Bobby!